Dear students, welcome to your English language online lessons. Today we are going to study a new lesson. Please take your student's book, page 82-83. Take your student's book, page 82-83. And now, before we start the lesson, will contain the following. So, vocabulary, helping out at home. Grammar, we will study past form of modals. And for skills, you have reprimanding and responding. Reprimanding and responding. So you will understand the meaning of this during the lesson. So let's go directly to page 82. So the main topic is helping out. So look at the pictures. We have pictures from 1 to 8. As you can notice that this picture show us people doing house chores. Good. So let's read the first question, which is match the phrases to the pictures. Listen and check, then say. So look carefully to the pictures while I read the sentences for you. So pick up the kids from school, return books to the library, pay a bill, prepare the shopping list, change the sheets, hang the curtains, take the kids to the pool, whip the kitchen corner. So we have 8 sentences. You have to match them with the picture. Take your time. You can pause the video and do the exercise. Good. Now let me give you the answer. So we have 1 is A. So look at picture 1 is A. Pick up the kids from school. Look at the kids, and she is picking the kids from school. B is 7. Return books to the library. Return books to the library. 6. Pay a bill. Look at 6. We match it with pictures with C. We match it with picture 6. Where is picture 6? Look. She is paying the bill. D. We have D. Which number? Yes, 2. Very good. D, which is prepare the shopping list. We match it with picture 2. Look, she is preparing the shopping list. E, change the sheets. 8. Look, she is changing the bed sheets. And F, hang the curtains. Look, it's picture 4. She is hanging the curtains. G, take the kids to the pool. It's clear. Look at picture number 5. She is taking the kids to the pool. And the last one is H, whip the kitchen corner, which is picture 8. Look, she is whipping the kitchen corners. Good. Please, dear students, make sure you write down the answers. And let's move to B. Use the phrases A to H to describe the picture. Use the phrases A to H to describe the pictures. So as an example, she is picking up the kids from school. Okay, you use she. She is picking up the kids from school. Okay, let me give you a suggested answer key. Okay, look. 2, she is preparing the shopping list. Okay. 3, where is 3? She is whipping the kitchen corner. 4, she is hanging the curtains. 5, she is taking the kids to the pool, etc. So it's a very easy exercise. And now let's move to reading. Okay, let's move to reading. So let me read the text for you. But before that, let's read the question. A. Read the first exchange in the dialogue. Why is Carrie's mom upset? Listen and read, then find out. So while I am reading, try to find why is Carrie's mom upset. Okay? Now let me read the text for you. Carrie, what's wrong, Mom? You seem a bit upset. Mom, I'm just a little tired. There is so much to do. I had to hang the curtains this morning and change the sheets on the beds and. Carrie, you should have woken me up, Mom. Mom, I didn't want to bother you, dear. Carrie, oh, don't be silly, Mom. Is there something I can do to help you now? Mom, oh, I don't know. Don't you want to relax on your day off? Carrie, no. I have plenty of time to relax. I just need to return few books to the library because I wasn't able to do it yesterday. Then I'm all yours. Mom, oh, could you pick the kids up from school then? I need to go downtown to pay some bills. Carrie, sure. Anything else? Mom, well, let's see. Could you get a few things from the supermarket on your way home? Carrie, no problem. What do you need? Mom, let me prepare a shopping list for you. Carrie, okay. Mom, you are an angel, Carrie. Okay, so this is a text. It's a very easy, text. It's a very easy text. So try to find, when you reread the text, why is Carrie's mom upset? Why is Carrie's mom upset? Again, you can pause the video and try to find why Carrie's mom is upset before I give you the answer. Okay, good. Now, let me give you the answer. So, Carrie can help mom by helping her finishing the chores. So, why Carrie's mom is upset? Because she is doing all the home or the house chores alone. So, Carrie can help her mom by finishing the chores with her. And now let's go to B. Read the dialogue again and answer the questions. Read the dialogue again and answer the questions. So please make sure you reread the dialogue before we start answering the questions. Okay, good. So why did Carrie's mom have to do in the morning? What did Carrie's mom have to do in the morning? Question 2. Why didn't she wake Carrie up? 3. What does Carrie have to do? 4. Who is going to pick the kids up? 5. What does Carrie's mom have to do downtown? Okay, it's also a very easy question. Try to find the answers from the text before I give you the answer key. Good, excellent, my dear students. So this is the answers. Okay, why or what did Carrie's mom have to do in the morning? Okay, 1, hang the curtains, change the sheets. 2, why didn't she wake Carrie up? She didn't want to bother her. 3, what does Carrie have to do? She have to return the books to the library, so return books to the library. 4, who is going to pick the kids up? Okay, Carrie. And what does Carrie's mom have to do downtown? So pay the bills. Okay, this is the answers for B. And now let's move to another page. You have everyday English. You have everyday English. So please move to page 83. Okay, we have used the language in the table and the phrases below to make your own short dialogues. As in the example, you can use ideas from exercise 1 as well. So before we study the tables, let's read the chores. Clean out the car. 2, take the kids to the park. 3, prepare the meal. 4, clean the bedroom. I repeat. 1, clean out the car. 2, take the kids to the park. 3, prepare the meal. 4, clean the bathroom. Okay, so how we will see in everyday English how to ask someone to do something in the house or helping you in the house, and how you should respond. You have reprimanding and responding. So reprimanding, we have what? You should, ought to have, either you should to have, or you ought to have. Did you remember to? And responding, I wasn't able to because, or sorry, I thought you were doing it. I couldn't because I had, or I needed to, or oh no, I forgot, or yes, I did it this morning. So let's start with the first choice. They give you the answer. It's already done. So clean out the car. A, you should have cleaned out the car. B, I couldn't because I had to return the books to the library. So again, pause the video please and try to do the chore 2, 3 and 4 by yourself. Again, your answers could be different from each others, because you have many expressions to use. So I guess all of them will be correct, either asking or responding. Good. And now let me give you the answer. So 2A. We have take the kids to the park. Do you remember to take the kids to the park? B, sorry, I thought you were doing it. 3, we have prepared the meal. You should have prepared the meal. B, yes, I did it. 4, we have cleaned the bathroom. Do you remember to clean the bathroom? B, oh no, I forgot. It's a very easy exercise. So as I have said, your answers may be different, okay, and I guess they will be correct because you may use different expression. Good, and now let's move to your grammatical lesson for the day. So we have past form of modals. Past form of modals. So what is the past form of modals? Okay, modals in the present and in the past. Generally speaking, modals in the past have the following forms. So we have modals in the present and we have modals in the past. And generally speaking, modals in the past have the following form. So most of the time we have a modal plus have plus past participle. I repeat, we have a modal plus have plus past in past participle. Past participle. For example, I give you an example in the present and an example in the past. So we start with the present. You should see a doctor. You should see a doctor. Okay, past. You should have seen a doctor. You should have seen a doctor. So this is a form of the past. So I already gave you a form of the past, which is a modal plus have plus past participle, which is clearly presented in the example in the past. You should have been or you should have seen a doctor. Good. So I repeat, modals in general or modals. We have modals in the present and in the past. And generally speaking, modals in the past have the following form. Modal plus have plus past participle. For example, present, you should see a doctor. Past, you should have seen a doctor. Okay, now, except for modals that express obligation, ability, and lack of necessity. For obligation, present, I must, I have to work hard. In the past, this have becomes I had to work hard. This is for obligation. So I have to work hard. In the past becomes I had to work hard. Okay, so must doesn't have a past. Very simply. Ability. Okay, present, I can run fast. Past, I could run fast when I was young. I could run fast when I was young. Okay, this is the form of the past. Okay, of the ability form, which is can. So we have lack of necessity. Present, you don't have to, or you needn't take your umbrella. Past, you didn't have to, or you didn't need to take your umbrella. So please pause the video, try to reread these explanation and you will understand more. And I will give you again a chart for more understanding. So I bring you types of modal and modals in the present, modals in the past. So please concentrate with me while I am reading. So types of modals, we have obligation, advice, we have prohibition, ability, certainty, permission, possibility, lack of necessity. So let's read the examples. Obligation, you must have, you must or you have to stop when the traffic lights are red. So in the past, you had to stop. Advice, you should see a doctor. You should have seen a doctor. Prohibition, you mustn't smoke here. Past, you mustn't have smoked here. Ability, I can run fast. I could run fast, now I am old. Okay. Certainty, he has a Rolls Royce. A Rolls Royce, he must be very rich. Another example is he can't be American, his English is terrible. Okay, past, he must have been rich, he had a big house and an expensive car. Another example is he can't have written that poem, he was illiterate. Permission, can I go out? Okay, can I go out? In the past, she could drive her father's car when she was only 15. Possibility, it may, it can, it could, it might rain, it's cloudy. In the past, I guess it may, it can, it could, it might have been lacy on the phone, sorry. Yes, lack of necessity. You don't have to, or you don't need, or you needn't buy any tomatoes. There are plenty in the fridge. Past, you didn't have to, or you didn't need to buy the tomatoes. So please concentrate and reread all the examples for more understanding. And now let's go to the charts they give you in the student's book. So, past form of the models, read the table, find examples in the dialogue exercise 1. So, the table is just the charts I give you. So, let's start trying to find examples in the dialogue in exercise 2. So, I bring you the examples in exercise 2. So, I had to hang the curtains. You should have woken. Oh, should you pick up? And could you get? So these are the forms from the dialogue in exercise 2. Okay, in exercise 2 reading. And let's move directly to B. Underline the correct words. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sentences. Please read them very clearly and carefully and try to underline the correct answer. Okay. Again, I will ask you to pause the video and do the exercise. Good. Okay, B. I repeat, underline the correct words. So 1. Okay. 1. You didn't have to wash the dishes. You didn't have to wash the dishes. 2. Mary had to pay the electric bill by Wednesday. 3. We didn't have to hang the curtains. Mom did it. 4. He had to prepare the meal himself. 5. You shouldn't have been rude to her. 6. She wasn't able to win the race. Okay, please, dear students, make sure you underline the correct verbs. And let's move to exercise C. Rewrite the sentences using appropriate modal verbs. So we have sentences from 1 to 6. I will read the sentences for you and try to use the appropriate modal to rewrite those sentences. So 1. You weren't allowed to enter this area. 2. They were obliged to wear a uniform at school. 3. It wasn't necessary to get up early yesterday. It was Sunday. 4. It was the right thing to help the elder lady crossing the street. 5. You weren't allowed to tell anyone. 6. You were obliged to return the books to the library today. So please, dear students, again I will ask you to pause the video and try to rewrite the sentences using the appropriate modal verbs. Good. Okay, now let me give you the answer key. So 1, you couldn't enter this area. Okay, we enter the modal couldn't instead of weren't, couldn't. Okay, 2, they had to. Okay, wear a uniform to school, so obliged means obligation. We use had to. 3, you didn't have to get up early yesterday as it was Sunday, so we use instead of wasn't necessary, didn't have to. 4, I ought to have helped the elder lady crossing the street, so okay, it was the right thing to help, so I ought to. 5, you couldn't tell anyone. Okay, you weren't allowed to tell anyone, so instead of weren't we use couldn't. And we have you were obliged to return the books to the library. You had to return the books to the library, so you are obliged, you must, you had to. Okay, it's an obligation, so we use had to. Okay, very good, dear students. And now let's move. Okay, please remember to correct if you have any mistake, or to copy the answers in your notebooks. And now let's move to the last thing, which is writing. B, you will be away from most or for most of the day. You will be away for most of the day. Leave your sister, Joanna, a note telling her what she has to do. So you have an example. I will be away today. Please don't forget to prepare, for example, a mirror, to hang the curtains, to change the sheets, to clean the bedroom, etc. So you have to write. Okay, things that you have to tell Joanna to prepare or to do at home. So you are Joanna. Tell the class what you had or you didn't have to do. Okay. Thank you so much for your attention. Thank you so much for your continuing your studying. I am very happy to giving you your lesson. Okay, and before we finish our lesson, I will give you homework. Please go to page 117. Okay, and do exercise 9. Go to page 117 and do exercise now. Again, I have to say thank you for your attention. Please make sure to do your exercises and to copy the exercises from the text, from the video to your notebooks. Thank you.